Another Reserve Bank of Australia board meeting, and once again the decision has been to keep the cash rate on hold. 1.5%, a record low level, and we've seen that low cash rate on foot now for some 13 months. Looking domestically and indeed looking globally, and if you look at the forward rates for money, then the expectation is that we can expect the cash rate to be lower for longer. Certainly a lot of change though taking place in the market. We've seen in New South Wales and Victoria some very generous concessions given to first home buyers really change the shape of the market, with a large number of first home buyers coming into the space that some would say is being left open through the disincentives or the financial impost being placed on investors from overseas. Lots of activity. Now, what we saw in recent months was that most lenders made some very aggressive changes in terms of policy and also pricing for interest-only lending. And it'd be fair to say that I think some of those lenders overcooked things somewhat. In just the last fortnight, then we've seen interest rates for interest-only loans come off by maybe 0.15 or 0.2 of 1%. Now, there's still a gap between principal and interest borrowing and interest-only borrowing, but that gap now is more like 0.6 of 1%, down from where it was previously at 0.8 of 1%. Now, there's a lot of movement in the market, particularly in the area of fixed rates at the moment. And we've seen a lot of inquiry from customers looking to fix part or all of their home loan for periods of 2, 3 and even up to 5 years. Lots of change there, and the pace of change is very, very rapid. So against that backdrop of complexity, then our advice is that you speak to your mortgage choice broker today. Make sure that your mortgage choice broker understands your needs right now. Let's get a solution on foot that optimises outcomes for you and also gives you the flexibility and also the certainty that you might need over this medium and longer term. Thanks very much, and look forward to speaking to you again next month.